Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix your Samsung USB like Samsung Galaxy A17 not being detected when you connect it to PC with USB. Okay, so if your phone is not recognized when you connect it to your PC, then first you should try using a different USB cable. Because not all cables are built the same, and some cables are only for charging and don't support data transfer. And in order to connect it to your PC for something more than just charging, you will need a cable that supports data transfer. And most better cables do support it, but some cheaper cables may just support the charging, so it's worth noting that. Also, you may want to try a different port on your computer. Now, if this didn't help, then I'm gonna connect it to my PC. I have tested this cable, and I know that it supports data transfer, so yeah, I'm gonna plug it in. Now, make sure that your device is unlocked, and when you slide down from the left top part of the screen, if you find USB for file transfer or any other notification about USB, like USB for charging, then click on it again, and now make sure that use USB 4 is set for transferring files or transferring images, whatever you want to use it for, and then it should work. Now, if the problem still persists, try restarting both devices. Now, also, the problem may occur in the Smart Switch app, in the Samsung Smart Switch app. So, I'll show you my computer. Okay, you can see in my case it is connected. I'm gonna quickly switch back to the USB for charging. And I'm gonna verify it's me. And yeah, it's gonna say something like unsupported USB connection. And sometimes when you switch to transferring files, it's not gonna connect. So what I recommend doing is, while the phone is unlocked, because sometimes you might have, for example, connected it while the phone was locked and then unlocked it, and sometimes there may be a little bit of a problem, so it's best to just disable the unplug it when the phone is unlocked, unplug it from the USB, then plug it back in, and there may be a notification at the bottom about like allowing it to connect to Smart Switch. So yeah, that will be about it, I think, in the video. If you weren't able to still make it work, then most probably you are trying to do something more difficult than just standard connection for like transferring files. So in that case, you may need to actually go to settings, and in the settings, go to first about phone, then go to software information and click on build number 7 times. After that, it will ask you for the screen lock, and then a new option will appear at the very bottom, which is developer options. Now you may need to click on that and make sure that USB debugging is enabled. You can see in my case it's blocked by auto blocker, so I will need to go back, go to security and privacy, then go to auto blocker and make sure it's disabled. I will need to confirm with my fingerprint, and now we can go to the developer options and then find USB debugging and enable it, and then click on OK. And now it may work a bit better. So yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.